Emily, and I've been a first aid trainer now for over 15 years. I teach in primary and secondary school as well as the local community. First aid is something I'm so passionate about teaching. It's one of those opportunities where you get to teach somebody a skill that they have for life and actually can make an impact to somebody else, whether that's in the workplace, in the home, or just out and about. These online courses are very packed full of practical assignments, reading material, and lots of tasks for you to be able to complete at your own convenience.
Now for the learning objectives, things we're going to be covering over this course. First of all, you're going to understand what the role of the paediatric first aider is. You're going to also understand how to perform emergency first aid to a child and baby, and be confident in those emergency situations. You're also going to be able to identify the signs and symptoms and treat major and minor injuries and illnesses in children and babies.